Alright, hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. So here I am at Dollar Tree and they just put this stuff out for the summer. Aren't those utensils nice? And I'm loving them in this color and the pink. And not everything is completely organized. Oh, I gotta show you these. Okay, so here are the placemats, the pineapple. Isn't that pretty, guys? I am loving this. And here are, let's see, because this comes from the Easter side. Okay, so we have, somebody threw some party stuff here. Okay, so these I think we did see last year. Here's the pineapple. I don't think I saw the strawberry, but this is so cute. Then here are the watermelon balls, the pineapple. Okay, and then we have these tropical little sip cups, I call them. Okay, not sure where to place that. Okay, so we have the platters and we have the bowls, and you have those three colors with the matching cups, and then you have the paper plates, which I think are really cute. I can't pull them out because they're so tight in there. All right, let's see. So you have summer chilling and endless summer. This is so cute. All right, you have some more of those, and then of course you have the matching napkins and the little dessert cups. I like these cups. It's like great for ice cream. And then the little kids have the little, I love the flamingo. Here's the watermelon, the beach ball, and the little shark. Okay, and then if we come over here, those are the pineapple ones. I'm sorry, the palm trees. And then these are kind of cute too, sip cups. They have them in pink and blue, and then these look like soda bottles in pink, blue, and green, orange. Then here are the straws, and here are the little umbrellas. How cute. This is like the perfect time to come shopping for this stuff. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video, and I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all of you returning subscribers, I just want to say thank you for supporting my channels. Now here, these napkins are so adorable. They're the ice cream ones, and they are so cute. If you like to decoupage, I'm liking this purple. Okay, so there you have the strawberry cups, and look how big these are. You can fit a lot of fluid in these. Wow. And there's the pineapple again. Look, they even have the watermelon. I don't think I saw those last year. And then this is for the little guys. So here you have the margarita cups. And then you have the little outdoor decor, like the wall decor, flamingos. That one says tropical, feeling tropical, summer. So all that stuff you can get matching. A tiki bar. And I am loving this. This is so cute. Okay, so I'm not sure where this came from, but somebody put that there. And then you have some more sippy cups, and look at this gold pineapple. That's kind of cute, that decor piece. I always think of tear trays, and these are so nice. They look like popsicles, guys. All right, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed showing you. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, so this says table runner. So you got pink, yellow, and green. I'm not sure what this is. This is new. All right, guys. God bless you. Amen.